Let us understand the step-by-step process of booking a service bill quantity-wise in StrategicERP. To book a service bill, first approve the service received note. Then, navigate to the service bill quantity-wise form under the Contractors Management module and search for the work order number. The details will be fetched automatically from the work order based on your selection. Enter the contractor bill number and select the contractor bill date. Enter the payment days if applicable and the bill due date will be auto-calculated. Enter the GST number if applicable. If the GST number is not added manually, it will be fetched automatically from the work order. You can view the SRN quantity under the Work Order Details tab. You can also add the work order quantity as required. Enter the TDS and retention money manually under the Tax and Payments tab. Select the approval date and add remarks, if necessary. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. The process of booking a service bill quantity-wise is now complete.